Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials. This is a part 2 video on sequence and function. In part 1 I had solved some few questions on sequence and function for the primary students, and this part 2 is just a continuation, I mean similar questions to the same topic, that is sequence and function. Just for the sake of practice, I have given the second part as well. So let us start with this second part. And this particular second part starts with question number 1, which says that, okay, copy and complete the table below to work out the nth rule for the sequence. Okay, so the sequence given is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and you have to complete it. Now here, you'll have to be a little careful. Okay, now from 3, if you go to 5, what is happening is plus 2. From 5, if you go to 7, what is happening? Plus 2. From 7, if you go to 9, it is happening plus 2. From 9 to 11, again plus 2. So you can see that in this sequence, as you proceed in the sequence, one after the other terms, 2 is being added at each stage. So this 2 is known as the common difference, which is written as d equal to 2. Now, what is the first term of this sequence? It is 3. So you'll have to take first term as a equal to 3. And the nth term or the general term you will get by this particular formula. Okay, it will be a plus n minus 1 times d. Now put in the values. For a you put 3 plus n minus 1. For d you put 2. If you work out, this will be 3 plus 2n minus 2, which is equal to 2n, and 3 minus 2 is 1, so plus 1. So this 2n plus 1 happens to be a nth term. Okay. So in such sequences, these are known as AP, arithmetic progression. Okay. Here you will always find a common difference, like in this case you found a common difference of plus 2. So this is the way you have to find the nth term. So the nth term is nothing but 2n plus 1. Now if you put this 2n plus 1 as the nth term, then the first term will be 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So you are getting first term as 3. So 2n plus 1 is working. Now let us see this 2n plus 1 is working for this 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. It's working. 2n plus 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. It's working. 2n plus 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. It's working. 2n plus 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Yeah, it's working. So it should work here also. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. So the answer here is 13. Okay. So this is the way you have to deal with such questions, right? Next sequence is uh, 4, 8, 12 and 16. 4, 8, 12 and 16. Okay. Here also you can see that, okay, the first term is 4. So 1 times 4 will be 4. Second term is 8. So 2 times 4 will be 8. 3 times 4 will, so times 4 multiplied by 4 happens to be a nth term, right? Multiplied by 4. So first term will be 4 into 1, 4. Second term will be 4 into 2, 8. So the nth term can be written in general as 4n. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth term. Okay, so for fifth term, 4 into 5, the answer should be 20. So 5 into 4, 20 should be the answer over here. This is 20. Okay. Next. Now you can see some patterns are shown over here. Pattern number 1, there are 4 dots. Pattern number 2, there are 4 plus 3, 7 dots. Pattern number 3, there are 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 dots. And pattern number 4, actually you are supposed to draw. This was the question. I have given you the answer itself. Okay. So pattern number 4 is something that you have to draw and you have to show. Okay. Fine. So pattern number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 we have to draw. Okay. So in pattern number 1, you can see that there are 4 dots, right? In pattern number 2, there are 7 dots. In pattern number 3, there are 10 dots. Okay. So you are going to take the sequence as 4, 7 and 10, right? Now, what should be the this thing, the nth term? Okay, so the nth term now, because this is the same as AP, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so your D common difference is 3, and your first term is 4, right? This is the first term. So your nth term has to be A plus n minus 1 times D. So this will be 4 plus n minus 1 times 3. This will be 4 plus 3n minus 3. This will be 3n plus 1. So this is your nth term, 3n plus 1. So here I can put the values as nth term will be 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1. Okay. Now let us check whether it is working. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 3 into 4 will be 12 plus 1, 13. So here you should get the answer as 13. So here in the fourth pattern, you should have 13 dots. Okay. Now let us, the question is draw the fourth pattern. Okay. So let us draw the fourth pattern. So fourth pattern will be consisting of what? It will be consisting of 13 dots. So let us draw those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So this is my fourth pattern. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us go to the next one. That is question number 2. Now here you can see this is pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 3. In pattern number 1, I can see 4 triangles. In pattern number 2, I can see 8 triangles. In pattern number 3, I can see 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 12 triangles. Okay. So this is 4, 8, and 12. Okay. Now find the nth term. So 1 times 4 will be 4, 2 times 4 will be 8, 3 times 4 will be 12. Yeah, it's working. So let us take the pattern as times 4, right? So let us complete the sequence for 6 terms. Okay. So fourth term will be 4 multiplied by 4, that will be 16. Fifth term will be 5 multiplied by 4, which will be 20. And the sixth term will be 6 multiplied by 4, which will be 24. So this is the complete sequence. Okay. So 4, 8, 12, and after that you will get 16, 20, and 24. Fine. Next question, question number 3. Now to match the columns. Now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These on the left hand side are the sequences. On the right hand side, column 2, these are the nth term, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. So if n is equal to 1, n minus 1 will be 0. If n is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 will be 1. So this matches with n minus 1. See, if you put n equal to 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So first term is 0. When you put n equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Second term is 1. That way. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now this should be 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So I think 2n is the nth term. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this should be n equal to 3 plus 1 will be 4. Okay. 1 plus 3 will be 4. So 1 plus 3 will be 4. 2 plus 3 will be 5. So this matches with n plus 3. Right. 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So this is going to go to 7n. Right. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So this should be actually, now when n is equal to 1, 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Okay, so this should go over here and minus 3. Now we are left with the last one, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this should be this one. This is the only option left. Okay, so these are your answers for the match the column. Now complete the following machine, function machine with inputs and output. Now this is 2. And the machine is doing the work of adding 5. 2 plus 5 will be 7. 3 plus 5 will be 8. 4 plus 5 will be 9. Here it is division by 4. So 12 divided by 4 will be 3. 20 divided by 4 will be 5. And 40 divided by 4 should be 10. Here the machine rule we have to find out. So 2 and 9, what will give me, what should be the machine function so that 2 will give me 9? So let us take 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 should give me 9. Okay, by the same machine rule, what plus 7 will give me 12? So of course I'll get 5 plus 7 will give me 12. Same way, what plus 7 will give me 16? So 16 minus 7, basically it will be 9. 9 plus 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, so it will be 9. And here you will get a 9. Next question, question number 5. Now, input divided by 6 will give you output. So output is given to you as 4. So what should be your input? So what divided by 6 will give you 4? So 24 divided by 6 will give me 4. What divided by 6 will give me 9? 54 divided by 6 will give me 9. What divided by 6 will give me 20? 120 divided by 6 will give me 20. So from here I got these answers. Okay. Now the reverse of this is when output goes in the machine, the input will be coming out. So let us take 4 from here. So when 4 goes in, what should be the machine doing to get you 24? So 4, if it is entering into the machine, if you multiply by 6, so let me put this as into 6. So 4 into 6 will be 24, 9 into 6 will be 54, 20 into 6 will be 120. So you can see division by 6 is the function of this machine and multiplication by 6 is the function of this machine. Okay, both are inverse of each other. Similar question you have here. Output is 7. So what minus 7 will give me, what minus 13 will give me 7? So my answer should be 20. 20 minus 13 should be 7. Here I should get 25. 25 minus 13 will give me 12. Here I think I should get 51 because 51 minus 13 is 38. Now if you see the reverse, 7 and plus 13, if you put this plus 13 as the machine function, the 7 plus 13 will give me 20, 12 plus 13 will give me 25, 38 plus 13 will give me 51. Now the last question of today, if y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, if f is a function which is division by 6. So what is the function doing? It is dividing by 6. What would be f of 24? So f of 24 is, the meaning of this is f of 24 means what will happen to 24 as input. So 24 divided by 6, you will get the output as 4. So the answer for this is 4. You have 54 divided by 6, the answer will be 9. You have 120 divided by 6, your answer will be 120 divided by 6 will be 20. Okay. Now find inverse of 4, 9 and 20. Inverse means the function is division by 6. So inverse function division, the inverse of division is multiplying by 6. Okay. So inverse function is multiplying by 6. So 4 multiplied by 6, here the answer will be 24. 9 multiplied by 6, the answer will be 54. 20 multiplied 6, the answer will be 120. So these are your answers for all these questions. And these were like the questions which some primary students may find it very tricky. But I have given you good practice on this sequence and function. This was part 2 of this video. And I hope you must have now understood this topic very well and practice a lot to understand more in a better way. Okay. That's all for today. Bye. Take care, all of you.